Hi there. I'm Emma and welcome to English Echo. Today I'm going to tell you the heartwarming story of the Ugly Duckling. It's a beautiful tale about transformation, self-discovery, and the importance of believing in yourself. Let's begin this inspiring journey together and improve your listening skills along the way. Once upon a time, in a quiet pond with tall plants and pretty flowers around it, a mother duck waited excitedly for her eggs to hatch. Finally, the day came when one egg cracked open and out came a tiny grayish duckling. Even though the mother duck loved all her babies, she noticed that this little one looked different from the rest. "My dear, you may not be as pretty as your siblings, but you are just as special," she said, giving the duckling lots of love. But as the days passed, the little duckling noticed that the other ducklings made fun of him because he looked different. Feeling sad and alone, he decided to leave the pond and find a place where he could belong. He traveled through fields and woods, hoping to find friends who would accept him for who he was. Along the way, he met other animals who wondered about his different look. "You don't look like us," said the rabbits. "Why are you so gray?" asked the bluebirds. The little duckling felt sad with every question, but he kept going, hoping to find his real home. As autumn came, he found a beautiful lake shining in the sunlight. There he saw a group of beautiful swans swimming on the water, their wings shining like silver. Enchanted by their beauty, the little duckling went to them. But as he got closer, he was unsure, remembering how he had been treated before. He was afraid the swans would not want him to. To his surprise, the swans welcomed him. "Hello there, little friend. You are welcome to join us," said the kindest swan. "But I'm not beautiful like you. I'm just an ugly duckling," he said with a bit of sadness. The kind swan smiled. "You may think that now, but beauty is not just about looks. It's about being kind, brave, and true to yourself. Come, let us be friends." With new hope and happiness, the little duckling joined his new friends. As time passed, he felt a feeling of fitting in he had never felt before. He swam with the swans, played games, and laughed under the moon. One morning, as he looked at his reflection in the lake, he saw a beautiful creature staring back at him. His once dull feathers had turned white, and he realized that he had grown into a beautiful swan, just like his new friends. From that day on, the little duckling was no longer the ugly duckling. He had become a brave and graceful swan, ready to face any challenge that came his way. And he knew that true beauty was inside. Now I have some questions for you. Write your answers in the comments below to practice your English. I'd love to see your responses. Why did the little duckling feel sad and lonely, and why did he decide to leave the pond? Where did the little duckling journey, and what was his reaction when he encountered the beautiful swans? How did the little duckling's life change after joining the swans, and what lesson did he learn about true beauty? Thank you for listening to The Ugly Duckling. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new English words. If you want to keep improving your listening skills, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can hear a new story every day. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next story.